Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about the BMC Luna G3's water tank. This water tank needs to be filled up every couple of days so that you can keep your humidifier running. To take the water tank off of the machine, press down firmly on the water tank until you hear a click. After you hear the click, the water tank can be removed safely from the machine. Our manufacturer recommends using distilled water for the water tank. However, you can use water from the tap, or you can use filtered water also. However, if you do go this route, make sure you're cleaning your water tank regularly so you don't get mineral buildup. Once you've put water into the water tank, take your water tank back to the machine and put it on top of the machine where you removed it. Press down firmly until you hear a click, at which point the water tank is safely attached back to the machine. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope it's been helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.